Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and I am VP CRM BI Solutions with BISP. Recently, I come across with a requirement with one of our client. They would like to prepare a gauge chart using Salesforce data in Qliksense, and that gauge chart was showing the total won opportunities in percentage with respective to the total number of opportunities. So basically, they would like to show the one opportunities percentage on their dashboard with the help of a gauge chart by integrating Salesforce data. So we have configured same thing. We provided the same solution for with our clients, and I decided to share the same solution with all of you so that you can incorporate the same solution in your requirement, or you can also take benefit of integrating Qliksense and Salesforce and present the data in a gauge chart. So let's move on to that. So first of all, let's have a look the Qliksense. That's my Qliksense, and I have been logged in into my Qliksense interface. That's my Qliksense interface, and I have successfully I'm accessing my data load editor because I would be using this data load editor to build a connectivity with Salesforce. That's my Salesforce interface, and here as you can see we have opportunities object, and I would like to pull data from this opportunity object into Qliksense. So first of all, let's look at the opportunities, the number of opportunities. So there are total 706 opportunities with various stages. So my concern is, my requirement is, first of all, I would like to extract the data from Salesforce into Qliksense. Then we would be transforming the data if any transformation is required. Finally, we load the data into Qliksense, and then we will visualize the data by using various charts. So let me switch back to Qliksense, and in Qliksense, first of all, I'm going to create a new section, and I name that section as Salesforce data. Now, then I click on create new connection. From here, you will get the default driver for 64-bit system, that is Qlik Salesforce connector. So I'm using the same connector. Here we need to provide the username, password, and security token. Because as all of you know, those who are familiar with Salesforce, they know that because we would be extracting the Salesforce data out of environment, so security token is must for that. Security token is required for that. To know more about how to reset security token, you can visit my previous video in which I have explained how to reset the security token. Now let me get the username. That's my username. So I copy paste my username. Make sure that there would be no special characters and no space in between within password. So I'll just provide my password and copy paste my security token. Once I provide all the details, I click on test connections, click on test connection. It will validate the connectivity, and once the connection is established, it will display a message, connection successful. So this process may take some time. It depends on the speed as well as the connectivity, as well as the response from Salesforce. So as you can see, I have received a succeeded message. So click on OK, create. So the connection has been established. Now I would like to add the query here. So first of all, I click on insert connection string. Then we need to select the data. So I click on select data, and I would be selecting, first I uncheck this load statement. And I look for opportunity object. So I select opportunity object. So it will display the preview, data preview. Also we can switch to metadata. So first of all, let's the data gets loaded successfully. We can click on metadata to remove the unrequired fields. So the fields which we do not require, we can remove them. So there are a lot of fields, so I'll just go with the fields, click on insert script, so the script will get added. I'll save it and click on load data. So now you can see the connection has been established successfully. I click on close, and now I switch to app overview, because we are going to design the app. So I click on my new sheet. It is empty, so I click on edit. First of all, I can check all the fields are here from opportunity table, opportunity database. All the fields are coming. I switch to charts and I drag and drop the gauge chart, because my requirement is to create one gauge chart which would be showing the percentage, which would be showing the opportunity 1%. Or we can add a title as well. I just add a title. So this is just for a title. So I just click on add. So either we can show it here as a label, or we can display this directly on our dashboard, directly within that. So I just delete it. I drag and drop gauge. Now in gauge, we need to add a measure. So I click on add measure. Now in this measure, we'll be going to take help of set analysis. So I click on expression editor, and here I write the aggregate function is count. It is stage name insert, and so this would be showing a total number of, if I simply click on apply, it is showing 706. 706 is the total number of opportunities we have. So we would be going to calculate with respective to this. So again select it, expand it, click on expression, and I'm going to apply set analysis. So to apply set analysis, that's the syntax, and I write here stage name equal to closed one divided by count of stage name. Insert, apply. So as you can see, it is showing 0.55. Definitely it's not that, it's not in a proper format. We need to display this in proper format. First of all, I set the label. So right here, 1 percentage. That is one opportunities percentage. Then it's not coming in proper format, so let's customize it. So I switch to appearance, click on journal, and it's showing title, any title you want to show, and details if you want to show or hide. I'll switch to presentation. First of all, it's radial, and I would be using the segments. One more thing I would be doing, I just, when I expand it, we have number formatting, and our number formatting I change to number, and number would be in percentage. So I just switch to this 55.2%. So as you can see, it has been converted successfully into 55.2%. Then I select this, click on appearance, and I use segments. So as you can see, the maximum and minimum, the minimum is 0, maximum is 100. So I set minimum as 0.5, let's say 0.01, and this I set as 0.1. So that is 0.1 to 1 to 10%, that is 100%. 10 is 100%. So I will just customize this. So as here you can see it's showing 1 to 10%. So I just change this to 0.1 to 1. So that is from 10 to 100%. So I'm just considering minimum as 10% and maximum as 100%. So it's not complete, it's showing only half percent, it's showing up to the value. So I just use segments, and when we choose segments, the segment gets completed. Now we can customize this segment, so we can add limits, and we can display the limits with different colors. So I'm adding some 4 limits here, and let's customize it. And I select this first limit, I set this to red color. I select second limit, and set this to this color. So as you can see, the segments are coming in different colors. So the next segment is it's already there. So I just go with red, yellow color. This one. So we can have different segments, and this one. And the last segment would be in green color. And there is one more feature that is called gradient. So I select this first segment and click on gradient. Second segment, gradient. So you can see when we switch to gradient, when we click on gradient, this line gets removed. So we can have gradients. So you can see it's showing in this color, gradient. Then I switch to gradient. So this additional line will get removed, and it looks like there's a uniformity in this. Gradient. So this is how we create a gauge chart. And now if we apply a filter, if we have a filter, we can apply a filter and display this chart will get updated based on that. So this is how we can integrate Qliksense with Salesforce, pull the data from Salesforce into Qliksense, and calculate the won opportunities percentage with the help of set analysis and display the result in a gauge chart. So that's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can visit our website www.bspsolutions.com. We are into consulting services both for Qliksense, QlikView, and Salesforce. So if you are looking for any sort of consulting services, you can connect with us. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.